G'day guys, it's John here again. I just wanted to share something really quick with you. The way people use buttons. Some technicians use their nails. They've got long nails, no big deal, but they use their nails to push buttons. That inevitably wears out the buttons too quick. And you should be using the pad of your finger, and it's not a big amount of pressure. You only need to be applying grams, not kilos. But some guys go for it, like it's never going to work unless you apply 10 kilos of force to it. So anyway, that makes the gear fail earlier. And if you've got an SIUI unit that does have a button interface that's worn out, cool. Send me an email below, the link's below, send an email, tell me what you've got, take a photo of it, and we'll see if we can get that back to original working order, which I'm pretty sure we'll be able to do it. Right? That's what we do. We want you to love the gear just as much as we love it too.